Okay, so forward is FD, and then however much you want it to move forward. So like 25 would be small, 105 would be big, and then like right would be like 90, so it'll turn right. It's looking this way, and then forward 50, and then that would make it go 50, or like 100 to make it go further. Left 90, forward 100, just turning. So I wrote out this function. So what it does is it would write out house, right? Draw a house. So draw a house to initiate the function. So it just draws this very poor house. So that just does all this stuff that I just talked about, but it's in a function, right? I can still like, I don't know, right 90, forward 100, and write this line. So I have whoops. I have another function I'm going to write down here. And this is draw a star. It draws a star. So I'm going to first draw a house, which just makes this thing. And then I'm going to put the pen up, and then I'm going to set the X and Y coordinates, which I know wasn't in the lesson, but it's just for aesthetic purposes. So it brings the pen up. It leaves no ink behind, right? And pen down, it brings the pen down, like so. Whoops, let me remove that. So it brings the pen up, and it brings it to 200, 200, which is like somewhere over here. And then we put the pen back down, and then my function, draw a star, repeat 5, it just draws a star. Okay, so while I was reviewing this, I didn't realize that I didn't actually explain how a function worked. So it's basically just like forward makes it go forward 100 times, and then right 145 degrees, and it just repeats itself 5 times, which creates a star. So it'll draw the house, move it over here, and then do this. And as you can see, it drew the house, it set the X and Y coordinate to here, it put the pen down, and then it did that function. And I guess that's kind of all.